guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm very sorry for not posting for a while. I was just very busy with school and stuff, but anyway, I'm back. So basically today we're gonna be drawing Yumeko Jabami, as you guys saw in the thumbnail. If you don't know who Yumeko Jabami is, she is basically an anime character from the series Kakeguri, I think, and basically it's just a really great anime show, and I really recommend for you guys to watch it. So actually in today's video I won't be actually drawing Yumeko today. I'm focusing about the coloring and shading because I feel like I've really improved in both of these things. So I went ahead and traced a picture, and now I'm coloring in the hair. Now I'm cleaning in the lines and edges just to make them stand out and make them a little bit more cleaner. Moving on to my favorite part, which was the hair. I just love drawing hair. So basically I went in with a short hairbrush and I redrew over the black markings of the hair, and now I'm cleaning in everything to make it in line. So basically you're gonna go in with this really gray shade and do the highlights and add in some brown and some black to make the highlights pop out. And don't worry, everything, all the brushes, everything will be down in the description below. So after you're done with the highlights, you want to color in the skin and add the shading on it. And now I started coloring in her uniform. Now it's time to add the shading on the jacket. Actually, this was quite fun because I've never really added shading on clothing that in this way. So it's just really a new experience to actually work with. Coloring in Yumeko's lips, and now I was coloring in her eyes, adding the shading on them as well, and giving her some lashes. So comparing the pictures, I found out that I had a mishap in the skin tone, so I changed that and tried to fix in the shading again. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you all so much for 100 subscribers. You guys mean a lot to me. It really means so much that you guys support me and love my videos. It really means so much to me, and thank you all. And don't forget to subscribe and watch my last video up there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.